This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Toyota Rav4 Hybrid, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the fog light bulb. Turn the wheel for better access. Reach in here and disengage the fastener, pry the fastener out. Pull back on the wheel well lining, reach in for the bulb assembly. Press the tab and pull the connector down. Turn the fog light bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. Next, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life monitor.
You want to turn the vehicle to the on position, so push the button twice, then hit the trip button until it says down on the bottom, trip A. Then you want to turn the vehicle off, turn it back to the on position. Then you want to use the arrows to page over to the settings. And then you want to page down to vehicle settings, scheduled maintenance, and then right here you can reset the data.
And finally, we'll do an easy one. Let's show you how to change the Keyfob battery.
To get to the battery on this key fob, first thing we're going to do is take out the key. There's a little button on the side. Just push this button and pull the key out. And then if we look here, there's a small little slit. You want to take the key, put it in there, and then just twist it. It'll pop the cover off. And then you will have to kind of take the board out here in order to get this out. And then here's our battery. And you can just kind of pop it out there. Then you bring the new battery in. The negative side has to go down. So put it in there like so. We're just going to set that board back in there. Squeeze this back together till it clicks. And then just put the key back in.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking for more videos and more in-depth videos on this model and many others, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.